Guys, I was just riding by, and you can see the little bluegill just swimming around. You can see him. Dude, look at him. Oh, look at him there, dude. I was just riding by because I'm going to go check my trap. Look at him, man. Yo, hold on a second. There's a turtle over there. Yeah, look at this guy. Yo. Oh, that one's big. Just try and get as close as I can. Oh, they're already gone. Oh, they're right there. They're just bunched up right there. Let's see how close I can get. Yo, that one's big. Holy crap, dude. That's crazy. You can literally just see them swimming around. Alright, I'm gonna throw a stick and see what they do. Alright, let's go check the trap. Okay, guys. Welcome back to another video. You saw that little intro thing slash I don't know what that was, but yeah, oh, it's muddy and I'm wearing my slides too. Come on. Oh, not too rough. Okay. There's a bunch of little fishes swimming around, obviously. But I'm gonna check the trap. I think I have stuff in there. It's right over there. And I think if I move this board under this one, it's probably not gonna be so wobbly. Walking on the bridge. Okay. Dude, there's so many minnows in here. You can barely see them on camera, but in real life, holy crap, dude. Holy crap. Oh, there goes a little bluegill. I don't want to get wet, so I'm trying to grab it like this. I think there's some in there. Oh, there's a big one in there, dude. Holy crap. Yep. Okay, I don't really feel like going all the way up there, so I'm just gonna do it right here. Oh, I was stuck to the side. I got another bluegill in there. There's a lot in there. Oh my god, dude. Hold on a second, let me put this thing down. I need to show you guys what is in here, dude. I got like 2 or 3 bluegill in here. They're all dead too. They literally couldn't find their way out. Oh, I only got one in there, I think. They're all dead. Oh, no, that's the same one from yesterday, I think. Yeah, they're all dead. No, that tiny one didn't get out. Oh my god. Dude, I didn't think. I gotta use these now. I'm not gonna just leave them there. I wonder if there's any on the bottom that's alive. I don't think so, but let's see. They're all just up top dead. Yeah. I guess I'll probably just throw it back. And whenever I want to go fishing, just use those, because yeah. I'll just throw it back. And today I'm not getting in that water to put it where I need to. Oh my god, I thought that was a snake. Dude, the cord was dragging behind me. I thought it was a snake. Oh my god, alright. I just throw this thing back. Sorry I'm not really talkative right now, because basically, what is moving over there? Okay guys, I'm doing a challenge right now. The intro that you saw earlier in the video was like 4 hours ago. It's like 6 something. But yeah, all I get to catch a fish on is, here, I'm just gonna use this. What is that noise? There's a squirrel or something up there. But all I get is this string. It literally has a stick on it and a hook. And I have to try and catch a fish. I don't get any bait or anything like that. So, let's see how that goes. Meet you at the pond. Okay, guys, we made it to the pond. And, yeah, I just realized, where did it go? I think I may have just lost my string. Are you kidding me? Oh, there it is. Okay, so I was thinking, and I forgot, I don't have any bait. I gotta catch my own bait. And I already see him down there. Dang. Alright. We ain't got much daylight left. So, yeah. I'm gonna put that hook on there, try and find some kind of bait that I can catch them on. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Okay, I need to hurry up. Not this bait, but this hook on here. Real quick. Simple. Okay. That should be good. Put it through the hole. Come on.
I don't have much time left. Come on. Come on, man.
No, it fell. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Hopefully that holds. It should. Okay. Now, all I have to do is find bait. Did I get him? I got him. Let's go. I don't know if he's big enough, but let's find out. Make sure I don't zip him out of there. There goes one right there. There goes two. There goes two. Okay, where they at? Where they at? There's one. Where's the other one? I think I just lost the other one. Nope. Dude, they're swimming in the current. They're swimming in the current. Look at them. These things are so tiny. There's one. Where's the other one at? There he is. All right. Let's get him out of there. Come on. Sorry, little guy. All right. Get out of the water. Okay. Now, for the hard part, getting him on the hook. Because I have no idea where the string that I had yesterday is. No way. Oh my God. Oh my God. Here's a lure. Here's a lure. I might have to use that. That's a lure that oh my God. Dude, I just found a little one. It was just sitting right here. The one that I had yesterday. Oh, this might be good, dude. Come on, little guy. Dude, he's tiny. He's tiny. Look at that. Look at that. He's tiny. Okay, I'm not going to show that. That's like way too. Okay. Put him on. Okay. Come on. Moment of truth. Is there anything in here? If there's not, I'm screwed. Like, it's just over. Yeah, they're in there. Dude, they're so big, man. Oh, I actually think there was some live ones in there that died. Look at that, dude. Oh my God. Let's pull them out. Ugh, that stinks so bad. You have no idea. Oh, you actually have no idea. Dude, that one's huge. Okay. Okay, all of these are dead, I'm pretty sure. Dude, that one's big, man. Look at this guy. All right. Hey, my minnow trap worked. Okay, so where's that little one at? Something just popped out over there. Okay. Need to hurry up. Guys, I don't know where my little one is. Oh, there it is. Okay, so let's put one of these on the hook, and let's see if I can get something with this one. I'm gonna use the little ones first, because it's kind of hard for them to get it off the hook with the little ones. If you guys don't like watching stuff like this, then don't watch. If I can even get it. Perfect. Okay. A lot of dead fish. Okay. Gonna have to try. Get you one. I'm gonna drop it down right there. They're already taking it. I'm sitting here watching the bait. They're going crazy over here, dude. Let's see. Oh, dude, I wasn't paying attention. That was the hardest bite of today. And dude, I'm gonna take a shower tonight. Ooh, it stinks. Hate the smell of dead fish, but dude, look how many minnows it caught. It worked. Dang, that's crazy. All right. Wait, I don't remember that many being in there when I put it down. Just take it. Got him. No, get over. Oh, yes. No, come here. What are you doing? Yes, man. He's bigger than the one I caught in the other video. Let's go, man. All right, there's one. What do I mean there's one? I ain't catching no more. Chill out, dude. I ain't about to touch him like that. Stupid. Let's go, guys. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yeah. Stop, dude, this is a freaking heat. This guy's going crazy. I feel like, I don't know, I'm happy, dude. I'm so happy right now. Looking on his lips to see if we've caught him before. Honestly, we probably have. Yes, dude. Look at him. Beautiful fish. Let's go. So I won. Well, I didn't win, but I mean, I didn't fail. So I succeeded. Let's go. Okay. Caught him on the little minnows right here. Dude, I hooked him good too. Alright. This is one of like the bigger sizes in there. And then they got a little bigger ones. So I'm gonna let him go. Bye, guy. There he goes. Alright. I won. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I didn't get the thumbnail. I gotta catch another one to get the thumbnail. Are you kidding me? Don't even. Are you serious? I'm stupid. I'm so stupid. I am so stupid right now. Oh my god. Well, I can't get this hook out. Oh, it's in my... Okay, guys, it's been like not even 5 minutes and I caught another one. Like, it's been like a minute since I caught that other one. And this one's bigger. Let's go. Okay. Chill out, dude. He's not playing around, man. Look at him. All right. So I need to get the hook out of him. Yeah, look at him. That dog's coming back over here. What if he tries to eat him? What if he tries to eat him? No, wait, dogs don't eat fish, I don't think. But they have, I've seen them. Hey, buddy. All right, so this one's bigger. Okay, I'm gonna stand over here because I don't want him to fall back in the water. Look at him, buddy. Look at him. Don't eat him. I need to get a thumbnail with him. Look at him. They're actually really beautiful. No. Okay, I'm gonna get the thumbnail with him, and then I will see you after that. Okay, so I completed the challenge. I'm just gonna throw these guys in, so I don't really have to smell them or anything. Dude, they're about to have a feast. Look at them. They're all just dead in the water. Well, at least they're probably not going to go to waste. They're probably going to get eaten by those bluegill. So, hopefully. So, yeah, I completed the challenge. Dog's still here. Everything's good to go. I'm probably going to take this down to my house. Maybe. I don't know. I'll probably just leave it here because it stinks. I know I'm gonna close it up though. Come on, man. You know what you want me to do next. And yeah, I'll do it. So yeah, like and subscribe if you like these videos and you want more content. And bye.